Today we are going to introduce you the MyGica iGrabber Live video capture card. Here we open this. Here is the device. This is the cable for to plug it in. The other side is the AV cable. And underneath is the quick installation guide. To set up the device, first connect the AV cable to the device. This side you connect your source device through the AV cable. Here the USB, you connect it to the PC USB port. This is driver free, so you don't need to set up any driver. Here, I'll introduce you one of the third-party programs that we can use with our product. Go to the web browser and search for a software called OBS Studio. It is free and is available in Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can download this software and install into your computer. Once it is installed, open up the OBS Studio. Here, you can set up our device by going to Sources and add a new video capture device. You can put a specific name for it. Click OK. Default is a camera. You should select the FHD capture, and it will show connect to our device. Okay, so this is the screen that I've connected to our capture device. You can resize this screen to any size you want. We want a full screen here. If you want, you can actually add more screen inside this capture card. Maybe you can add a camera. You can make it smaller and then put it on the back. Or you can add other stuff here. You can also disable it by just simply clicking on the I button here. To start streaming, you can just click on the Start Streaming button. Start recording will start recording to the local storage. You can go Settings to do more setup, especially for the stream. It will come with a lot of different streaming service sites for you to choose from. You can select one and enter your stream key, so we will know when you click on the Start Streaming button, it will stream to that service. From the output, you can also select where you want to store the recording files, and you can set up the quality. If you like high quality, or if you want to have a smaller size, and then you can also select the recorder formats, and then just save it for the changes.